Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Peloton News Week 5, so we've made it a really long time throughout this year. We've made it 4 weeks now, and this is our 5th week. Excited to show you what we have in store this week. So let's get started. First, the alligator right here is telling you to like, share, and subscribe. Please click that bell so you never miss when a future video goes up. Now, quick video I wanted to show you. Happy holidays. I'm looking forward to 2022 ornaments. Look at that cute tree that's dancing. I'll play it again. Isn't that a cute tree? So, let's get started with our news. So, first, Total Strength Program 2.0 with Andy Spear. If you have not seen, if you've not seen this new program, the classes have changed. So, it's a 6-week program. This program should help you strengthen your muscles. There's a blog post as well. The structure, it's intermediate. Weeks 1 and 2 have 2 classes, and then weeks 3 through 6 have about 4. Each day, the classes are at different lengths. So some may be 20, some may be like a 10-minute stretch. So each day is at a different length. Have I took the program yet? No, because I'm currently working on my boxing. Here's like the structure of it. This is also on that article here. This URL I'll put in the description. So this is the structure. Week 1, day 1, warm up, 30-minute full body strength, and then stretch. Tuesday, rest. There's about 3 days of rest every week. It is a 6-week program, like I said. Oh my gosh, look, at the end, there's a final strength test. So you can see what it tests you on. Strength and power complexes, strength and hypertrophy, conditioning circuits. You can see what it's testing you on. Weights. You can always, look at the rest days. So I want to start this program, week 1, day 1. This is what I'd be doing. So be prepared to do a 30-minute or a 45-minute class. You may be doing a benchmark or a quiz. So the end of the week is like a quiz at school. Like it says here, final strength test, benchmark strength test. So I'll show you a little preview of what that looks like later. Okay, continuing on with our news. Peloton studio closures. The New York and London studios will be closed from December 24th to 25th, so during Christmas time, and December 31st through January 2nd. While there will be no classes on demand, you can check out the holiday collection that's stacking. So, this is the final artist series of the year to Taylor Swift. But something to note about this. Why did Taylor Swift decide to re-record her albums? Well, that is a good question you ask. According to Time.com, somebody bought all of her old albums. Then she told Spotify to remove all of her albums from the discography page and replace them. The pandemic helped her gain back the strength she needed to re-record her old albums. So, she re-recorded Fearless. Now it's called Fearless, Taylor's version, and Red, Taylor's version. So this collection is exclusively for the Red, Taylor's version classes. So it has 2 Robin Arzon classes and 1 Olivia. If you guys haven't checked out my Taylor Swift for Kids, I do talk about this new, not program, what is it called? Album. So it has all the songs from her Red album, but it's just her version. So that's All Too Well. There's a film that goes with that. Here are the classes. Robin. I thought that was a peace symbol, but it's not. Olivia. Anna. Robin again. Susie Chan and Ben. I thought they had a Red Taylor's version apparel drop, but they actually didn't. So I was wondering, where is she getting these outfits from? Where is Susie Chan getting these outfits from? And I'm thinking to myself, oh, maybe they just already had it in their closet before they took these classes, before they created these classes. Because I'm like, where is she getting all of her apparel from? Where are they getting all these outfits from? So there's a ride in German as well with Milo Weddingen, and there's a special badge, but I don't want to give too much away. I've already gave enough. There's an article about it as well on people.com. Peloton announces Taylor Swift collaboration. We don't know about you, but we're feeling like it's time for a spin class. So what we have been waiting for is here. So Peloton first announced on December 13th, which was on her birthday. And they said you won't want to miss this one. So All Too Well is also played in the yoga, and that actually hit the charts. The number one on Billboard. It hit the Today's Top 50 as well on Spotify. All Too Well is 10 minutes and 13 seconds. Continuing on with our weekly news. So every year, starting in 2019, there's a letter from John Foley that everybody gets. Here's a short summary of it. Well, not everybody, just the members. And also, by the way, Guest Pass is still able to use. You can still use the Guest Pass. 19 new members, new instructors, you guys. So this should say instructors, not members. New programs, as well as boxing, the total strength, like I told you guys earlier, features, Thrive Score, new private apparel line, apparel.onepeloton.com, new seasons of member faves. So what this means is Sundays with Love, Jess King Experience, Dance Cardio, Barn Pilates, that was also launched. Stacking and beta sessions, Peloton Guide, which will be launched, next year. More artist series, so they did J Balvin, did they do Whitney? No, that was last year. What's the other artist series they did? Oh, ABBA. Let's think about men. Some more artist series, as well as the final one. Looking forward to more. And this Peloton Guide is a heart rate monitor. Okay, next. New challenge. Something that is new, that these badges here look different than what you're probably used to. So if I go to the challenge page here, and I go to the upcoming tab, and I go to the annual 2022. So look how many people are participating. 77,899. That's a lot. This year, I believe it was, 1,826,483. And you see how these are rainbow color. It's similar to, what did last year's look like? I'm just curious to see. Last year's, the annual, not too many. So anyway, upcoming, the badges now for the annual 2022 looks a little bit different. Just wanted to show you guys that. Next, top 50 of 2021 class series. Excuse me, I have to fix something. Top 50 of 2021 class series. It starts tomorrow on December 26th and ends on December 30th. All classes are 30 minutes. They're all live. It started last year. And let's go through the schedule together. So let's see. So 50 to 41. But this means it's a countdown. So it's Leanne, Selena, Olivia. Don't prefer those instructors. Next. 40 to 31. No, I wish Robin would be on this schedule. 30 to 21 is Rebecca, Cody, and Chase Tucker. So I guess I'm not doing any classes on December 31st either. Top 50 of 2021 ride from 20 to 11. Emma, Adrian, Rad. 10 to 1 is the best. Kendall did a ride last year. Jess Sims is doing a run, and Andy. So they're all going to be live classes. But all it is it's classes that are live. All it is classes that are live, but the part that's special is that it's towards the new year, and these classes have numbers. Yes, so it's a countdown. So today is December 25th, and the next top 50 won't be until next December 26th. Okay, so I did see DT post this picture on her Instagram. Last live musical class of 2021, join me on the leaderboard. Peace, and she probably tagged somebody on her Instagram. That's what this icon means. Robin actually had her last two classes. She did a Tabata, and I believe she did a strength as well. Not the Red Hillers version. It was a different strength. It was a pop one. It was a 20-minute pop full body. Okay, we're here. Picks of the week. Only 4 classes. Okay, so there's a 30-minute holiday party Pilates with Kristen McGee. I never got to finish it, but they both got good ratings. 99.4%. It's a core workout as well. They just don't say they don't put that in here. This bar class stacking stuffer, so more will drop on Monday the 27th. Um, this is Hannah Corbin, yours truly. This class was really good, got good ratings, 99.9%. I mean, they both got thumbs up. I don't know why the ratings are a little bit different. This bar class is pretty simple. I mean, there's not much plies, but there's a lot of planks. This Pilates is hard, I'm telling you. There's a lot of core. Okay, these also got some good ratings as well. Pop Ride with Cody. So he played Dua Lipa. He played the song with Clean Bandit and Jess Glenn called Rather Be. That's why I chose it. Rather than Our Son, 10-minute arms and light weights, which is basically those weights on the back of your bike. Good. The music is good. She played Saweetie, some hip hop. It was like hip hop arms and light weights because most of the songs I noticed were hip hop. Okay, so like I said earlier, in my week 2 or 3, I believe it was 3, I'm doing that boxing program. So I don't know if this is really progress since I've only done 3 classes. Just maybe let's not look at this timeline. Let's just look at week 1. Okay, week 1. That's really it. 3 of 5. Week 2 is 9 classes. So week 4, I mean not week 4. Day 4 is rad. It's a defense class with yours truly, Rad Lopez, and then week 5 is the summary of what you've learned that week with Kendall. Other than that, I look forward to 2022. New year, new memories. Peace. I actually made this myself. Shoutouts to Canva. Shoutouts to Canva, you guys. So have a good new year, and I'll be back. I'll be back. I don't know when I'll be back. My upload schedule is going to change because of course I have school. So this, you have to tell me, is this really progress? I mean, I don't know if you guys know you can actually skip classes on the boxing program. You can actually skip classes. But other than that, please like, share, subscribe, like that alligator told you here. Like, share, subscribe, please, okay? Other than that, I will see you next year. Check out my other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The article from time.com is linked down in the description as well. Other than that, happy holidays and have a happy new year.